Fights, don't fight.
Okay, real. Oh, I saw that, Max. Angle it to the side. Okay, keep reel it. Angle to the side over here.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Come on, pull it up. Pull it.
Wow!
Yeah!
Wow!
Say, hey, you're like Mike Iaconelli, Nick. Come on, dude. Back it up, and then come forward. Yep. Look at this pro. One day you're gonna become a what? A what?
A pro like Micah.
Like who? There you go. One day you're gonna. Okay, get it. Oh, grab it. Get a picture. Grab it by the mouth. The head first. Oh, you like it like that? Well, grab the mouth. Hey, come on!
That's teeth.
No, it's not. Come on, grab the top. No, grab the top of the head. Just grab the top. All your power. There you go. Ooh. And grab the mouth. Lip it. Yep, lip it. Use all your power. Okay, move the camera, dude. Let's take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Click. Who's your favorite Bassmaster of all time?
Micah.
Damn, really? Oh my god. And you have a backpack like him?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay. Let's release it. Get out of the water. Release it. Just throw it in. Okay. Here's the camera.
Woo. Bye-bye.
Oh, hey. What do you got to say to YouTube? Say subscribe.
Subscribe and leave a notification. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell and comment. And then hit that thumbs up like button. Adios. Thank you for watching Max Hang's outdoor video.